Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. And if you have been following me from day one, you already know these levels that I have here. And as I've been saying, the stock is going to get to $1.27. Looks like it's becoming true, and I've been saying from last 7 videos that dilution had been started 2.5 weeks ago or so. And now, again, and I'll show you guys that this is actually happening today. Another SEC filing came out. And what does this SEC filing says? Let me show you guys real quick. So as you guys know that, in order to save their bankruptcy, they went ahead and they went for the equity offering where they offered $1 billion worth of stocks to Hudson Bay. And again, I'm going off of the article that was published in Bloomberg. It says Hudson Bay is the anchor investor in Bed Bath & Beyond share sale, which is a pet speculation. Again, they signed an NDA, so you really can't find that information on their SEC filing. However, this is what the speculation is. Of course, as I made a video 3 videos before, I could release a link for that as well. I made a video talked about that. It might have cost them about 10 cents per share. Let's see what the SEC filing says here. The company issued a press release to announce that following the consumption of the previously announced offering, the company's warrant to purchase Series A convertible preferred stocks and certain other securities on February 7th, 2023, the company has received an aggregated of $135 million of proceeds from a certain exercise of preferred stocks. Now, this is convertible preferred stocks, which means they were able to convert these preferred stocks to common stocks, which again, they could go ahead and sell in the market. Yesterday, the stock, as it was coming down, and I knew the dilution is pretty heavy right now. If I show you guys the levels, and if we go back, you see it keeps steady coming down, right? And we started from here, $1.77 was a really, really good demand level. A lot of folks thought that this is, a good price for the stock at this point. It dropped from there, went down to $1.68, hovered around there for a few days, and then it went down to $1.60, $1.51, $1.40. Now it's down to $1.27. Now, the problem with this is if they drop below this, then it's a free fall at that point. And at that point, it's going to be making new levels because as we go, what demand level really is where people think that this is the right price for the stock. However, there's also speculation that they need to maintain a $1.25 if they want the rest of the money. I believe Bed Bath & Beyond already realizes that the stock is going down heavily. They might have asked Hudson Bay to exercise these warrants and, give them more cash because they might not be able to reach to the $1 billion. So in my opinion, I think the company financially is looking very bad right now. And we might see a spike in it when we're back on the track for bankruptcy. And this is the whole thing where it started from, where we wanted to see a spike. The short interest is like 60% for the stock. If you are not subscribed to this channel, do consider subscribing because I release video every day and you get this information every day. And people who are following me knows this, that, things have been looking not good for the stock, okay? And if, for example, if one of my subscribers right now, if were to invest in the stock, I'm pretty sure they'll be able to make a sound decision which way they want to go. But right now, the stock is coming down. The only thing that we are feeding off of is the short interest. We are waiting for that holy grail of short squeeze, and hopefully that would happen. But for now, everybody's sort of backing off, laying off a little bit. Institutions are still in it, they're still in it 46%. So you still have a little bit of institutions' faith in it. But if things start looking bad, they go down to below $1. It might go down to 75 cents or 80 cents at that point. So, but this critical level right here, $1.27, this is a high demand level as I marked it green because, it's going to bounce off of what demand really is the people think that this is the price that we can make money off of. But if it drops this, it's a falling knife at that point. But I'm looking into the stock. I'm releasing video every day. And, hopefully you guys are liking these videos. If you're not subscribed, do consider subscribing. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.